the Subec pneumatic IRIS, you got two controls in the peripheral kit. You got the pressure regulator, which you should start using from 0 upwards. So you might want to check out the pressure you get at only a half bar and just get the feel of it. It's opening up quite nicely, easily. It's not a very big pressure on the product. When you increase pressure, you will get more pressure on the product, which you might not want. So now we got 2.5 bar. Closing it. And it's quite hard actually to open up this little cone on the pan. So in most applications you probably don't want to be much above 2 bar actually. Another regulation is the speed regulator. The open speed you can regulate on the left side of the pneumatic cylinder. We get it slow here, and the close we get a little bit faster. We open up everything here. Get a very quick, rapid movement. So you probably want to close a little bit for safety reasons, so the rollers won't snap when somebody might have some fingers, especially the close valve. Speed should be a little lesser than that. Even less on the close, and there we dial in. Like that maybe. Alright, that's it folks.